this is Sharifa Just Nailed It. We are back today with Charlie's Advent Calendar. 24 Days of Christmas. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's. You can use my code at any given time that you wish to make a purchase. Saves yourself 10% off your total bill. Yes, I finally did my nails. This is what you'll see me sport to Christmas at least. I'm all about this color at Christmas time. It is called Ruby Pumps. Love, love, love. So we're going to take off our 14th envelope for today. And see what Charlie has in store for us today. With my scissors. I feel like I'm coming down with something. My voice is deeper. I'm kind of plugged up still, and it's getting worse. So excuse me if you're sniffling in the video. I apologize for that now. Please forgive me. Let's see what Charlie's got for us. Blue butterflies. How sweet is that? Okay, let me move this aside. I want to do something Christmassy, but I need to take a think. I want to do, I think, a white nail. Maybe, let me think here. This is dark blue. I'm going to pause and I'll think about this. Alrighty, we are back. Sorry about that. It took me a minute. Again, we got these blue butterflies from charliesnailart.co.uk. They will be released today. Trying to get them out of their pouch so we can start on the nail. Okay, I am going to take She Modern Stencil Glue Gel and apply that on the nail. I forgot to plug my lamp in. Always forgetting to plug that in. We are going to do us a sugar nail. Alright, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. What I am going to do is I am taking White Hollow Sugar Crush. Hollow, Erica. Hollow, baby. Hollow. We're going to tap this all over the nail. Get us some good coverage because we got an almond shaped nail here. Whoops, this is a free pouring bottle. I don't like those. It dispenses way too much product at one time. There's boatloads on the nail. We rub, 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 baby in a tub. Now you're not going to be able to tell this is a White Hollow. But it is. It's a White Hollow sugar nail. I'm going to pop her. Wait a minute. I'm going to pop her back in the lamp. Give it a cure. Alright, we are back. I wish you could see that this was a hollow sugar nail. I love a sugar nail. Anybody that knows me here on YouTube knows that I love a sugar nail. I do them anytime I get the chance to. And it presented itself to us here today. I'm using my rhinestone glue. I'm going to put 2 little dollops of rhinestone glue on the nail. And this is where the butterflies will be. And then I will, cure them. Pull my back. Oh, buddy. Oh, which way they go? So I'm gonna pop these in the lamp. Oh, I wish I put them further down. Whoops. Like here maybe. Oops. So I'm going to pop her in the lamp now to give it a full. Alright. Here we are with Censor the Snail. I think this looks really cute. A nice winter white hollow sparkle nail with two beautiful butterflies. I don't know how well you can see them, but they are beautiful. They will be released today on Charlie's website, so check them out. Please use my code NAILEDIT10. Save yourself 10% off your entire bill. Again, this was day 14 for Charlie's Advent Calendar. 24 days of Christmas. We'll see you tomorrow for day 15. Have a blessed day and thank you.